From wrinkles to joint pain, the aging process can be really painful. But what if I told you the best way to slow down aging is to start from within? Introducing the all-new BARLEYGREEN PLUS, enhanced with collagen and CoQ10. Collagen is the glue that holds everything together. There are 3 types of collagen. The collagen in BARLEYGREEN PLUS is type 1. Type 1 collagen helps to support all parts of the body, including skin, joints, nails, hair, and bone health. Type 2 collagen only supports bones and joints, and Type 3 collagen only supports the skin. As we age, our body levels of collagen begin to decline. This causes wrinkles, fine lines, hair falls, weak joints, and brittle bones. BARLEYGREEN is the perfect match for collagen, as it contains nutrients that support and synergize with collagen, such as vitamin C, zinc, copper, essential amino acids, and live enzymes. With the live enzymes and nutrients, your body will absorb collagen more effectively as you age. BARLEYGREEN Plus also provides your body with marine collagen, which is absorbed up to 1.5 times more efficiently than any other type of collagen, and is the most effective in raising overall body collagen levels. This way, BARLEYGREEN Plus enhances your body's collagen-related benefits even further than just consuming collagen. This perfect combination of collagen and nutrients from BARLEYGREEN Plus help keep your skin firm, plump, hydrated, and supple, strengthen your joints and bones to improve your performance and fitness routine, and promotes thicker and shinier hair and more durable nails. The other all-new feature of BARLEYGREEN Plus is CoQ10. This is what our body uses to make energy on a cellular level and is used in organs that require lots of energy, such as our heart, brain, liver, kidneys, and muscles. CoQ10 naturally exists in active and inactive forms. Our bodies need to convert CoQ10 to its active form to create cellular energy, which helps fuel your heart and other vital organs. BARLEYGREEN Plus contains the active form of CoQ10 ubiquinol. Just like cars are powered by gas, your heart and other organs are powered by cellular energy from ubiquinol CoQ10. However, as we age, our body's ability to convert CoQ10 to its active form of ubiquinol decreases greatly. This leads to progressive muscle stiffness, fatigue, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. BARLEYGREEN Plus utilizes high-quality Kaneka ubiquinol CoQ10 extracted from fermented yeast. BARLEYGREEN's live enzymes and CoQ10 complement each other to improve your heart health as well as your energy and performance. Together, they help your heart pump stronger and is used as therapy for heart disease and hypertension management. They also increase your energy and performance by decreasing muscle fatigue, increasing endurance, improving blood circulation, and reducing headaches. 2 glasses of BARLEYGREEN Plus a day gives the boost you need to support healthy skin, hair, nails, joints, bones, and a strong heart. Get all the nutrition you need from BARLEYGREEN Plus at the greatest value for money. BARLEYGREEN Plus helps you to DARE, detox, alkaline, rejuvenate, energize. The all-new BARLEYGREEN Plus, now enhanced with collagen and CoQ10, rejuvenate and energize better.